Got a view of the bay from my window, and it's kinda pretty if you like the city. And I could see a steam train, oh, down below, and it's kinda tiny from way up here. My plane leaves Monday morning. Where I'm going, it's raining, it's pouring. Got a spot saved back at the office with a desk and a door with my name on it. Every day's the same old rush hour traffic, same old busy city. Have it, go, won't have it. Little train, take me away to those faraway places where you can't go to by car. Little train, take me away to those far off places where things still grow. 800 block of Granville, trying to spare some change, killing time between the food line and the needle exchange. Ladies in high heel shoes looking in my brain, and I laugh to myself, see they're all the same. Stand in the doorway just to get out of the rain, smell the sound, stench cigarettes, piss and pain, stench in my nose, stench in my veins. I wish I could ride these tracks on out of here. Oh, little train, take me away to those faraway places where you can't go to by car. Little train, take me away to those far off places where things still grow. Looks in the mirror, what does she see? Tired, broken down and lonely. She thinks things can get worse from here, but she's been saying that too many years. If just once she could take a break, if she could only get away, she takes a chance to make the change. Oh, she's gone on board that little train, a little train. Take me away to those faraway places where you can't go to by car. Little train, take me away to those far off places where things still grow. I got a view of the bay from my window, and it's kinda pretty if you like the city. And I could see a steam train, oh, down below, and it's kinda tiny from way